Let's be honest, the Poco F6 looks like a powerful phone. It's fast, stylish and packed with some impressive features. With a Snapdragon 8th Generation 3 processor, a 6.67-inch AMOLED display, a 90W turbo charging, there's no denying that Poco puts a lot into this device. But here's the thing, most people will only tell you about the good stuff. I'm here to give you the full picture, the good, the bad and everything in between. So is the Poco F6 really worth your money? Let's find out. Have you ever bought a phone thinking it's perfect, only to discover later that there's something nobody told you? That's why I'm here, to make sure that doesn't happen with the Poco F6. This review is different. I will break down everything, the design, display, camera, battery and more, in a simple word, so you know exactly what you are getting before you spend a single cent. And by the way, if you want honest review and clear review like this, hit the subscribe button right now. It's free. It also helps the channel grow. Design and build quality. Now let's start with the design. The Poco F6 was released on 23rd of May 2024 and it comes in 3 colors. Black for classic sleek look, green for something bold and fresh, titanium if you want a modern premium feel. The front is protected by a Gorilla Glass, so it's tougher against scratches. The frame and the back are plastic, which keep the phone light at 179 grams. It feels solid, but don't expect that full glass or metal finish you might find on more expensive phones. Will you prefer a glass back or are you okay with just plastic as long as it looks good? Let me know in the comment section below. Now, let's talk about the price, because that's what most of you care about. The Poco F6 comes with 2 options. 8GB of RAM paired with 256GB of internal storage, which is priced around $340, which is around 510,000 naira in Nigeria. Now the second option comes with 12GB of RAM, which is paired with 512GB of internal storage and is also priced at the range of $344, which is equivalent to 517,000 naira in Nigeria. That's not a huge price difference between the two models, which makes the higher storage version look like a better deal. But hang tight, we will talk more about the price at the end of this video, so stick around. But for those watching from other countries, compare this price to your local currency. It's always good to know how much it really costs for you. Display. Let's talk about the screen. The Poco F6 has a 6.67-inch AMOLED display. AMOLED means you get a bright color, deep black and sharp detail, perfect for watching video or gaming. It also has a 120Hz refresh rate, so scrolling feels super smooth. Once you use a 120Hz screen, it's hard to go back to anything less. The resolution is 1220 at 2712 pixels, sharp than regular Full HD, and with Corning Gorilla Glass protection, it can handle small drop of scratches. It's also IP64 rated, meaning it's protected against dust and can handle small water splashes. Just don't take it swimming. Will you trade a higher refresh rate for better water resistance? Let me know in the comments. Network support. In terms of network, the Poco F6 supports 2G, 3G, 4G and 5G network. This means it's future-proof and ready for faster internet speed. Whether you're streaming, gaming or video calling, the F6 has you covered. Camera. Now let's break down the camera. First, the front camera. 20 megapixel selfie camera, clear enough for selfie and video calls. Now, the rear camera. 50 megapixel camera for sharp photos. 8 megapixel ultra wide camera to capture more in one shot. It also has a LED flash for low light pictures. The Poco F6 also records video in 4K, 1080 pixel and also 720 pixel at 30 frames per second. The cameras are decent for this price, but don't expect flagship level photography. They work well in good lighting, but low light shot might not be as sharp. Would you rather have a better main camera or a higher megapixel selfie camera? You can tell me what matters most to you in the comment section below. The Poco F6 gives you 3 storage options. 256GB of internal storage paired with 8GB of RAM. Also a storage of 256GB of internal storage with 12GB of RAM. Lastly, a 512GB of internal storage with 12GB of RAM. That's plenty of space for apps, photos and videos. And with up to 12GB of RAM, the phone can handle multitasking without slowing down. Battery and charging. Battery life is a big deal, so here's what you get. A 5000 mAh battery, big enough to last a full day of heavy use. 90W turbo charging charges the phone from 2% to 100% in just 35 minutes. And yes, the 90W charger comes in the box, no extra purchase needed. Fast charging is great, but does battery size or charging speed matter most to you? Let me know. By the way, if you have made it this far, don't forget to subscribe. Your support helps me keep making simple, honest reviews like this one. Connectivity and security. For connectivity, the Poco F6 include a Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, USB Type-C, NFC, infrared port to control appliances like TVs. Now, security features. In-screen fingerprint sensor, fast unlocking, and also a AI face unlock, a quick way to access your phone without touching a button. Platform and performance. The Poco F6 runs on Android 14 with a Xiaomi Hyper operating system, smooth and easy to use. Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 processor, fast and powerful for gaming, multitasking, and more. This means the phone is built to handle whatever you throw at it, whether it's a gaming, editing video, or running multiple apps at once. Now let's talk about what's inside the box. When you buy the Poco F6, you get the phone itself, a 90W charger, a USB Type-C cable, SIM inject tools, protective case, safety information, and a quick start guide. Now, here's my final thoughts and a price recap. Let's go back to the price. 8GB of RAM paired with 256GB of internal storage is priced at the range of $340, which is equivalent to 510,000 naira in Nigeria. 12GB of RAM version paired with 512GB of internal storage is priced at the range of $344, which is equivalent to 517,000 naira in Nigeria. It's a small price jump for double the storage, so the 12GB of RAM paired with 512GB of internal storage model feel like a better deal. But now, I want to hear from you. Which feature impresses you the most? The fast charging, the camera, or the display? Drop your answer in the comments below. And if you still haven't subscribed, now is the time. More honest phone review is coming your way. Thanks for watching my full review of the Poco F16. See you in the next one.